How are you, member from Birchwood? We're gonna make today the screw steak. It's the same as screw steak. We use it for the steak sandwich, but today we're gonna do it in a plate. We got some balsamic vinegar. We got some of the cherry tomatoes, masculine lettuce, and we got the red potatoes. It's 8 ounces on the screw steak with all the fresh herbs. We got thyme, rosemary, garlic, and fresh oregano. We season it and then we marinate on both sizes. We put a little bit salt and pepper. So we're gonna put this in the grill, or you guys can use in the pan in your house. If you guys gonna put it in the saute pan, try to put it in a low or in a medium flame. We cook it up like for maybe 5 minutes, depends on the temperature you guys want. We mark it up on both sizes and we put it like a little marks so they can get a little bit more flavor. We got 2 potatoes. I will do it just for 1 person. We cut it in quarts. We throw it in the bowl to mix it up a little bit. And we use the same fresh herbs. Salt and pepper to get a little seasoning. We put on the steel plate. And I will recommend to you guys to put the potatoes face up. Otherwise, they're gonna cook more. They're gonna get a little bit crispy outside and a little bit more soft. We throw in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes, like a 350. Okay, if you guys see the color of the potato, nice and brown, nice and soft, the screw steak is ready. So we're gonna mix it out a little bit mixed greens with a little bit cherry tomatoes. So we put a little bit salt and pepper, a little bit balsamic vinegar, it's like a homemade balsamic vinegar. If you guys once in a while, you guys would like to try some of our dressing and bring it to home, we're more happy to buy it to sell it guys to you. Okay, by pints, by quarts, or by gallon if you guys want. Okay, so we're gonna plate it and we're gonna put just a little bit of lettuce on the plate with a little balsamic vinegar, potatoes. We got the screw steak. That's it. Easy to make like a dish in the house. Let's take you 10 to 15 minutes. As soon as the potatoes that are cooked, your dish is gonna be ready. Enjoy and thank you.